Hello, we've created a system so you can visit a dome house without leaving your home. The weather's bad, it's not always convenient to travel. Let's move to the computer screen now. It works the same on a phone, but I'll show it on the computer screen, how you can virtually walk through a dome house. So now, on Facebook, type UAB Spheros in the search, and you'll find our dome house page. Then go to where it says, "We invite you to a virtual walk through our dome houses." Click on that link, a window opens, and there are links to the first house and the second house. So, let's click on the first house, for example, go in, and see how the entire view of the dome house loads. And suddenly, we're inside the house, where you can just walk around and look around. So now we can turn around. On this side, there are doors. We can look down. There are these little circles. If we step on a circle, we can teleport and walk around, look around, and see how everything looks. We leave the storage room, go to the bedroom door, you can enter the bedroom. We look around, a wardrobe, a bed, everything's nice. Then we enter the bathroom, you can see what's outside the window and how it looks inside. You can even zoom in or out using the mouse, or you can use the touchpad with 2 fingers to control it. And now let's go to our main space. We can even teleport to a farther point and look around to see the beauty of this house. This is how the whole view looks. Here's the art, where an artist named Ugnė Kučinskaitė created plaster moldings. You can stand in the center, see the view differently, and even go outside. Click on this window, and we end up outside on the terrace. Of course, the terrace could be bigger, but this is just an example, and we can see how the view looks from the outside. So, we go back to the dome, head to the stairs, and we can even climb the stairs. Let's climb, click on each circle, and suddenly we're on the second floor. In that loft, there's an inflatable armchair. You can put anything there and walk around, look around. We can zoom in on the skylight, but it's too brightly lit. So, for now, we can just admire those plaster moldings. We can jump from the loft to the first floor and walk around that way. Now let's go to the second link, to the other dome house. Wait a moment for all the information to load. And suddenly we're in this dome house, where I'm currently filming this video. So, we look around again, we're by the door, and by the way, you can go outside here too. We'll definitely do that. Let's stand by the bathroom door, you can enter the bathroom. Washing machine, toilet, sink, storage room door. We go to the TV, turn around, you can see a bit of the view outside the window, that kind of view, the skylight. I think every dome house should have a skylight. Let's stand in another spot where we can see the kitchen. This is how the partition walls look, the kitchen. People often ask how to hang a cabinet on a curved wall in a dome house, as it might wobble. This issue is solved by mounting on the internal partition walls, and it's resolved very simply. Another thing, it's very convenient when the kitchen is on one side. And on the other side, let's go to the bathroom. The other utilities are arranged along the same wall. It's very convenient to hide everything in one place. The plumber comes, does the work in one day, and there's no need to run utilities throughout the entire building, which makes it much simpler. Then let's stand in the center of the dome and look up. We see the round skylight I already mentioned. Let's stand by the flower. Greenery is also beautiful. And now let's go outside to see how it looks from the outside. And we teleport to the area by the benches, where we see the dome house from a distance. Now, that's a pleasure. Take a look. We go back to the dome. We can also exit from the other side of the dome through the window. Let's see. We're now on the other side of the dome. We can zoom in, see the dome from the other side, how the whole location looks. Pine trees, stones, bushes, trees, but we're interested in the dome. So, this way, we can walk through 2 domes without leaving home. And this system isn't just for walking through dome houses, we can even take certain measurements here. So now we find the measuring tools. There's a ruler icon drawn here. We click, and it shows certain dimensions. But using the mouse, here's a plus sign. We click on this plus sign and can choose the point we want. For example, how high the windowsill is. We select the windowsill and drag to the floor, and it shows 63 centimeters at this spot. I didn't measure quite accurately because it's up to the top of the baseboard. Let's measure again, roughly how tall the door is. We see it's 2 meters 7 centimeters, which is very close to the actual height of 2 meters 10 centimeters. Another feature in this system is to turn off the measuring tools. Click on the ruler again, and click on the view that's angled like this. We see the entire layout of the dome from above, as if we were just floating above. This is the living room, dining area, kitchen, bathroom, storage room, which is why it's dark. And so, we can even zoom in and explore the whole view this way. Next, we click on another tool. We can rotate and manipulate the view like this. We can see it as if we were flying through the dome, choosing the point we want. And